Not much going on this week. Still trying to get some stuff done before the snow actually starts really falling. We're heading out to feed the chickens right now. The birds, let them out for the day. It's cold out here today. You can see all the frost on the ground. It's like 31 right now. I don't know what the low was last night. I've just been trying to do some more winter cleanup. I had cleaned up all the rest of the bark that I had raked in a pile in the driveway. That's now in the portable garage. We have a lot of bark. This stuff is great for starting your fires though. I love it. If we run out of kindling, I don't think we'll need kindling because the bark it's great for starting your fires. Did that, and then yesterday I canned up 14 quarts of beef, which is awesome. I like that. What we've been doing is when we go to Safeway and they have their meat marked down and they have some awesome sales, we'll get it like 50% off. They've had buy one get one free. We buy them up and throw them in the freezer, and so yesterday I canned up 14 quarts of beef. Today I'll take you up there and show you. Let's go feed the chicks first. Let's go let the birds. I've been told they're not chicks anymore. They're birds. Let's go, Gabby. Let's go take care of the birds. Ugh. Ready, Goose? Let's go feed the birds. Yep, they're happy now. Food! What's up, chickies? That's our rooster. He started crowing. He started crowing a couple days ago. And then the past couple mornings... Hold on, let me get down here. Past couple mornings he's been actually crowing before when the sun starts coming up. He's grown a lot in the past couple weeks. It's awesome to watch him grow up. He's our little man rooster. So this is our compost bin, and what I need to do is build an addition onto it. So I need to find 3 pallets that I can use. Need to find 3 pallets that I can use to attach it to this side, so I'll have to move our straw and stuff out of the way and then build the addition on this side. That's my plan for today. I'm done. It's cold out here. I'm gonna YouTube, so YouTube is good. I'm gonna YouTube how I can build a little lean-to to keep the snow off. So I got that much done today, so that's awesome. I'm happy with that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Smash that bell so you're notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for support. We love you all. Till next time, bye.